Hi, my name is Chima from ValueBlue, and today I'm going to show you how to attach a file to a BPMN tax in BlueDolphin. In this example, we are going to use the business process Hire New Employee. When we click on the BPMN view in the Objects tab, we are now able to see the process view. Click on the pencil tool to activate the edit mode. Then select a tax and click on the button. You can attach a description to the BPMN tax in the text box, but you can also add a URL. To make sure that the file is linked, you simply transform the file into a URL. You can also choose to add a piece of content to the specific object. As soon as you open the process object in BPMN, you will find several fields on the right where you can enter information. Now you see what information is available for this specific part of the process. You can edit this information, for example, by adding a URL that takes you to a specific document, file, or website. That was it for today. Thanks for watching.